Hey guys, welcome to our channel The Art Box. So today we are going to use this MossRose to make a small and beautiful tree. So let's get started. First of all, we'll cut 15 stems of approx 15 cm in size. We need a cutter and strings. So we have to take one stem, hold it from the top and clear all the leaves like this. Similarly, we'll do for all the 15 stems. So once this is done, now we'll take a string of around 10 cm. We'll take 10 strings in total, and now we'll take one of these string. Let me place it here. We can take any 3 stems. I will make it equal and place it in the middle of the string, and we'll tie a knot over here. I will slide it a bit. And I will now start weaving it. Make sure that you don't break the stems. So we'll complete it like this, and again we'll make a knot. So this one is ready. Now we'll do it for all. So as we have 15 stems, we have 5 pieces. You can also use more of these to make your tree broad. Now we'll remove the extra strings. After cutting all the extra strings, we will take a string of 15 cm. Place all the stems in center. Tie a knot. Now we will hold it like this and tie a knot. We will also tie a knot over here. You might think it's tilted, but once it is planted, it will automatically become straight. Now with the help of the cutter, we will cut the top of every stem. Now we will cut all the extra strings. So now we are done with this. Now we will plant it. Make sure that you put the bottom part in soil. we will remove all the extra leaves which grow. I have also given a support to the leaves so that they can grow upward. So this is the final product which we get after 25 days. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel, The Art Box.